Okay, hello guys, it's Chris from FFP here, and I'm here with Larissa. How are you feeling, Larissa?
Very good. I'm very emotional. That was so good.
Okay, how did you find the film?
I find it really authentic. Like it's beyond genre. It's really you can relate to every character. They feel really human. They feel really personal, vulnerable, and I just can't wait for the future because he introduced them so well, and now we can see them in different lifestyle. We can see them in different situation, especially Ja at the end. How a situation like that will transform his behaviors. Like, is he going to use his gift for the good or for the bad, or like, and also who are going to be there with him to support him in that. So I'm really excited for the plot to come. Like, he did a really, really good job, and I'm proud as a black woman also, like, to see things like that. I'm inspired.
That's it. And you touched on something very big with this film, the character development.
Bruh.
Yeah?
Like, every new filmmaker is they're trying to do things based on what exists, but Wil Aime, he's like, this is me, this is my head, take it or leave it, and like we see it, and it's like, wow, this guy, he's creative, and he respects the art, and it's rare, it's very, very rare to see like filmmakers who respect the art and who defy the way things are done to
do something different.
Bro, like, that's the most exciting things. Like, it's really to see a filmmaker being himself and bringing like authenticity. It's just beautiful. It's not a plot that you can know what's going to happen. Although I think I know who is the la taupe. Je sais c'est qui. I think I
don't
know. You want me to tell
I have
you?
a few ideas.
I think it's Walter.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It could be Walter. It could be Walter.
him, but I think but like beyond that, it's just it's a
It's a masterpiece.
it's a masterpiece.
It's a
That's
masterpiece.
the word.
It's a masterpiece.
It's a masterpiece,
Yeah.
exactly. Thank you, Chris.
So if you had to describe the film in 3 words, what 3 words would you use?
Authenticity, psychological,
Okay, good one.
existential.
Okay, that is a good one. That is a good one.
Existential, because it's just a subject, but he goes beyond the genre, and you can see existentiality within every story. It's just magical. Like, you never see that before,
Okay, and what's your words to people that haven't seen this film yet? What would you say to them?
Go watch it. Just like, don't think about anything other people say, or like, don't be influenced by anything online or everything you've seen before. Just go watch it and be open-minded.
There we go, guys.
Yeah.
That's everything.
Thanks, Chris.
No, thanks
Nice
a lot,
to
yeah?
meet you.